Hi, welcome to Yum's Cuisine Island Treasure Pot. If you enjoy different dishes from different cultures, ethnicities and countries, then this channel is for you. What I would like for you to do is please hit the subscribe button and please click the notification bell so that you'll be the first to see each and every time I am uploading. Like, share and comment. So today we are making corn soup, and here I have my ingredients spread out. I have here some Jamaican cup soup mix, coconut milk, cream style corn, kernel corn, corn on the cob, pimento, Chadon beni and celery, some salt, diced pumpkin. I have here some diced carrot and a hot pepper, some grated pumpkin, onion and garlic, and that's our ingredients. We're gonna get all of this bubbling up in our pot, and trust me, this recipe is gonna be so delicious. So stay tuned while I go to the stove. So I'm at the stove, and in my hot pot I have some vegetable oil along with 4 cloves of garlic, which I'm gonna chunky. Now that my garlic has chunkied, I'm adding yellow peas or split peas to the pot. I'm just gonna stir that. And now I'm gonna add some water to the pot. The ingredients will be listed in the description box below, so you guys can check that out. I'm just gonna add some more water to this pan. I'm gonna let it come to a boil until the peas softens. So as you can see, the peas is now to a boil and it is completely softened or melted throughout the water. There's still a few chunks in there, but that's totally fine. You can always blend it out if you choose to. Now I'm gonna add my cream style corn into my peas mixture. You want to combine that properly so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. I'm just gonna add some more water here, guys, so that it wouldn't be too thick. As there are other ingredients that needs to be added as well. So now that that's to a boil again, I'm gonna add my grated pumpkin, my Chadon beni and celery, my garlic and onion, my pimento, seasoning pepper or flavor pepper as called, my dry thyme. Now people don't laugh me thyme, eh? And you just want to combine all of this together. I'm adding my diced carrots here now. as well as my diced pumpkin. I'm adding my corn on the cob. Then I'm gonna bring everything to a boil once more. So now everything is to a boil, and by the look of the pan you can tell that it overflowed. So I'm gonna add my coconut milk in at this point. You can use any brand you choose to. I'm adding my soup mix in here as well. And you just want to combine that. And now I'm gonna add some more water once more. As you can see, it's a bit thick. I like my corn soup a bit thick but not too thick. So here I'm adding my hot pepper. Cannot make this corn soup without this hot pepper. It brings so much flavor to it. And I'm just gonna reintroduce my aromatics that we began with. So I'm just gonna put those back in there, and that is your celery, shadow beni, pimento, etc. And then my kernel corn and some black pepper, of course. Now we are at our final stages of seasoning our corn soup. I have here some salt. Now you use as much or as little salt as you like. Just gonna combine all of that. And guys, the aroma that's coming out of this kitchen, man, I tell you, it's so good. Now you can see that it's not too thick, it's just the way I like it, with some texture in there as well. Some people puree this. You can if you choose to, but I like the texture. So I'm adding my salt butter here, and I also added some all-purpose seasoning. And now I'm gonna add my dumpling. I like my dumpling tiny. I don't like the long ones. You can put in however, whatever size dumpling you choose to put in here. So I'm just gonna let that cook, and then I'm gonna plate. It's time to eat. And this corn soup is really good. You can already tell by the texture and the ingredients. So this brings us to the end of our video for today. If you enjoyed viewing this as much as I enjoyed creating this for you, then please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks again. Bye. Hi.